Welcome to Textuar. As a premium content marketing agency in Mumbai, we excel at delivering high quality content that is optimized for both search engines as well as for AI generated GPT responses. So, we help with a lot of blogs, with a lot of articles, and web content and copywriting for our clients. The purpose behind our servicing is to give your brand a leading visibility boost as well as help you get a competitive edge online. So, what we do is that we have a team of content strategists who look at the evolving AI GPT protocols as well as look at the client preferences and the target audience that you are pursuing. With it, we can develop high quality content that will help you get a competitive edge on search engines as well as on GPT engines. So we serve a lot of different clients from different verticals like healthcare, like fintech and finance, as well as edtech and IT and technology. So if you are a business in any of these sectors, you can definitely look forward to quality content that will give you top listing and priority ranking on search engine results page as well as on the GPT results. Now, the result of getting these services from Texture is that you get a priority listing, you get a stronger brand authority, as well as a clearer path from click to conversion. So, if you are looking for a strong content partner, you don't need to look anywhere beyond Texture. We have been in the business since 2011 and have delivered for more than 1000 projects across different industry verticals. You can connect with us on this number and we will make sure that our sales team get back to you on urgent priority. Thank you so much.